Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect MT5 to TradingView. All right, let's begin. Currently, TradingView does not support a direct native integration with MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 is a trading platform typically provided by individual brokers, while TradingView is primarily a charting and analysis platform that only partners with specific brokerage firms. If you open the trading panel in TradingView and search for MT5, you will notice it does not appear in the official brokers list. This means you cannot simply log into your MT5 account directly through the TradingView interface to place trades at this time. However, there is a workaround if you want to bridge these two platforms. You can use a third-party service like Pine Connector. This tool allows you to send alerts from your TradingView strategies directly to MetaTrader 5, effectively automating your trades across both systems. Until TradingView implements a native connection like they have for interactive brokers or TradeStation, using Pine Connector is your best option for integration. This setup ensures you can utilize TradingView's advanced charting while executing orders through your MT5 account. So that's basically how you can connect MT5 to TradingView. That's it for this video. Thanks.